by the bed is ticking, too loud in the quiet night. I lie in the darkness thinking I must go before it's light. Before you open up your eyes and you beg me to stay, I leave 'cause I can't stand to see you hurt this way. Though I knew the time was coming and our love would end somehow, I just couldn't bear to tell you exactly just when or how.